Hey traders, Money Badger here, and I'd like to welcome you back to Badger Trading University. If you haven't already joined the BTU Discord, click the link in the video description below. In our previous video, we gained an understanding of the Average True Range Technical Indicator, or ATR, which measures volatility and helps traders set appropriate stop losses. In this video, we will take a look into the Chandelier Exit Strategy, which uses the Average True Range, or ATR, to help traders set a more appropriate trailing stop. The Chandelier Exit formula consists of three parts: a period high or period low, the average true range, and a multiplier. Traders will typically use the default settings as seen here, which consist of a lookback and ATR period of 22 and an ATR multiplier of 3. Since the Chandelier Exit Indicator is calculated using the ATR, the trailing stop that it creates will be further from an asset's price during high volatility and closer during lower volatility, which allows traders to take full advantage of trending price action without being stopped out prematurely. The Chandelier Exit Strategy is not a reliable indicator in a ranging or sideways market and should only be used when the market is trending upwards or downwards. When an asset's price breaks and closes below the trailing stop while in an uptrend, a signal to close the trade is produced, indicating that a potential trend reversal may be in the works. And when an asset's price breaks above the trailing stop while in a downtrend, a signal to close the trade is produced. One important thing to note is that the Chandelier Exit Indicator is not intended to be used for entering trades. As always, I would like to remind you that technical indicators are never meant to be used by themselves when making trading decisions. Trading with confluence and stacking elevating factors can strengthen your risk management and prevent you from entering or exiting a bad trade based on false signals. Always look for multiple signals to support each of your decisions. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, please like, subscribe, and join our Discord by clicking the link in the video description below.